Hello Zikers, in this video I'll show you how to sell on eBay with no money. I'll talk about one possible way to do so, which is drop shipping. More information about this method and real examples of successful dropshippers coming up. Before we start, I have a question for you eBay sellers. How are you finding hot products to sell on eBay today? Please let me know down in the comments below. Okay, so starting on eBay as a dropshipper with 0 Benjamins is in fact very possible. And as soon as you hit that thumbs up button, I'll share with you how. Did we get it? Did we get the thumbs up? Yeah? Okay, cool. Let's continue. If you haven't heard the term dropshipping by now, I need to ask, where have you been? It's the easiest way to start an eBay business with no money. Okay, it's fine. I've already forgiven you for not knowing. So if you're completely new to dropshipping and you want to know how it works from beginning to end with in-depth steps and information, make sure to check out our super easy to follow, super free Zeek course. There you will be able to learn all the ins and outs of dropshipping and finding products. So go ahead and check those out now. All right, if you've heard the term dropshipping, but you're still not sure what it is, here's a quick and simple, but very professional explanation of dropshipping on eBay. But before we get into the explanation of dropshipping, I first have to mention a few things that are needed. So you will need a computer or a laptop, an eBay seller account linked to a PayPal account. Those how-to videos you can check out right here. All right, so once all of that is set up, you can start drop shipping, and the best way to start is you find what you want to sell from a supplier. Now that supplier can be Walmart, Amazon, AliExpress, and so on. Whatever or whomever you prefer. Then you take that item and you list it to your eBay store at a price that guarantees you a profit. So for an example, you find let's say a watch for $10 with your supplier. You take that watch and you list it to your eBay store for $30. A customer comes and places his order in your store. He pays $30. Then you take your customer's information and the money, which is the $10, and you send it to your supplier, who then simply sends the watch to your customer with the information that you have provided. And you get to keep the $20 difference. When it comes to drop shipping, you're not paying for anything in advance. You only pay the supplier once the customer has paid you. And with your customer's money, you pay for the product. So you're not even using your own money. Some of you may ask, okay, well, why doesn't that customer himself go to the same supplier I'm using and order that same watch for $10, saving him money? Guys, the internet is huge, and everyone and their grandmother is using it. And not a lot of them know about those other suppliers. Also, just selling the product itself isn't everything. There is some thought that goes into it when marketing, positioning, and of course, your customer's lifestyle. And that is all up to you and how much or how little you're willing to invest. But it's also very important to know the eBay policies as well as cash flow. So be sure to check out our other videos where we go over the importance and the information of those. So now that we have the basics down, let's jump into an example of a dropshipper using AliExpress as their supplier. All right, so for our first example, I'm going to use Zeek Analytics competitor research. Now, of course, there's many ways to find competitors who are selling products and sourcing them from AliExpress as their supplier. So I'm just going to use Zeek because obviously it's the easiest way for me. So here in the competitor research, I found the seller that uses AliExpress as his supplier. And one reason to tell if a supplier is using AliExpress is usually the country where they are coming from and of course the products. Amazon and Walmart request that their products have white backgrounds, and here when you see different color backgrounds, codes, you automatically know that the product is coming from AliExpress. So the first item that I want to show you and calculate the profit for you is this cell phone case here. Now this is for an iPhone 12 mini or 12 Pro Max. And on eBay, it's selling for $5.98. And here on AliExpress, it's actually selling for, so you have 1 cent for each case, plus the shipping price to the US is 47 cents, which brings the total cost to 48 cents per case. So now the easiest way to calculate the profit is by taking the price that's on eBay, which is $5.98. So you're going to take your calculator and put in $5.98 minus 14%, which is the eBay and PayPal fees, minus 30 cents that also fall under the eBay and PayPal fees. And then at the end, you're going to minus your AliExpress purchase price, which altogether comes to 48 cents. So you're going to go ahead and type that into your calculator as well. And there's a $4.36 profit for every case that's sold. So you can see that this dropshipper found a product on AliExpress for a cheaper price. He took the photos as well as the description and title, and he just posted it on his eBay store and selling it for $5.98, making a profit of $4.36 for every sold item. Another example is this item here. Now this is a PS4 controller DualShock PlayStation, and it's just the skin sticker cover. It's selling for $5.99 on eBay, and here on AliExpress you can see that it's selling for 47 cents. It has pretty much the same colors as the ones on eBay, so it's the same item. So again, you can see that this product here on eBay is selling for $5.99. Let's do the calculation. $5.99 minus 14% of eBay and PayPal fees minus 30 cents that also fall under the eBay and PayPal fees minus the AliExpress purchase price of 47 cents because it's free shipping. You're going to go ahead and do that on your calculator as well. You would get a profit of $4.38 for every sold item.
It's really that simple, guys. So let's check out another example of a dropshipper using Walmart as their supplier.
All right, so for our Walmart example, I found a seller that's coming from the United States. You can also tell if they're dropshipping from Amazon or Walmart based on the place that they come from, and it's usually the United States. And now when you take a look at these photos, you can see that there are white backgrounds, which is what Walmart and Amazon request when posting photos on their website. So right off the bat, you can see that this it's like a charger for Xbox One, Xbox One S. It's selling on eBay for $28.13. And I went ahead and found it on Walmart, and it's selling for $22.16. It's not a huge profit, but this dropshipper is still making a profit by doing absolutely nothing. It sold 10 times in the last 30 days and 13 lifetime sales. So overall sales 13. Then the other item for this example, for the Walmart example, is this car mirror here. Sold 4 times in the last 30 days, 18 overall sales, selling for $12.89. Now I went ahead and found something similar to it on Walmart for $8.96. So obviously you can see that there is a pretty nice profit there.
All right, now, last but not least, let's see an example of a dropshipper using Amazon as their supplier.
All right, and for our Amazon example, I wanted to show you that there is a person dropshipping from Israel Amazon items. So it's just one thing that you have to keep in mind when looking for products to dropship if you're using Amazon as your supplier. Don't always just look at one thing. Make sure you consider a lot of other things when looking for items and dropshippers to compete against. So when we scroll down to his product list, we have this wireless transmitting temperature humidity sensor, sold 8 times in the last 30 days, 12 overall sales, and it's selling on eBay for $34.35. On Amazon, it is selling for $17.54. The other product example is this sippy cup here. Now on eBay, it's selling for $4.44.
And on Amazon, it's selling for $2.68. Again, not a huge profit, but it's still making a profit. And of course, when you take into consideration the sales, 56 sales, it all adds up.
And there you have it. Making money made easy. There's no reason not to be a part of this way of making money. I really hope this video was helpful for those new to dropshipping. But again, if you have any comments regarding the topic or questions, please leave them down below and we'll be sure to answer.